Good afternoon. My name is Shikha, and I'm in a team of three with UJJWAL and Sandesh. We're doing scenario three, called the IT guy. I'll give a short paragraph explaining what it is. So, as an IT support staff, I'm currently working in an advertising agency, which has like 20 members. Previously, all the IT related matters were handled by the external contractors. I'm the first IT employee who has been hired by the company. I directly report to the general manager, and my role consists of managing a data migration project with an expected timeline of 3 months. And the GM has asserted time and time again to finish it within the timeline. However, being the only on site IT person has led to a couple of issues. I have a friendly disposition and I'm always willing to help. I'm being called to do various tasks which could be solved with one Google search. The people are now used to calling me on for various issues that are not part of my job description, and that in turn has started causing delays in my own project. This is a cause of concern for me. However, every crisis can be turned into an opportunity, and I've decided to seize the opportunity to introduce a new system for the staff's IT problems. I'll go through the current problems that we have and then the negative effects of that. The first one is frequent interruptions. The colleagues are constantly interrupting me with their IT issues, which distracts me from my primary responsibility of managing the data migration project. There is an overdependence on IT support. The employees tend to rely on me for even the simplest IT problems rather than attempting to solve them independently through basic troubleshooting or online research. There is also unstructured issue reporting. There's no formal process in place for employees to report IT issues, leading to ad hoc requests and a lack of organization and problem resolution. Now, the possible negative effects are project delays. Frequent interruptions in IT support are causing delays in the completion of the data migration project, which could impact the company's goals and deliverables. There's also reduced productivity. My ability to focus on my core responsibilities is compromised due to the constant interruptions. This hampers overall productivity and can lead to frustration among the colleagues. There's also missed learning opportunities. The employees are not encouraged to develop basic troubleshooting skills and are missing opportunities for skill development, which could lead to more self sufficient and tech savvy employees. There's also resentment. Over the time, my colleagues might grow resentful if they perceive that I'm not fully dedicated to the data migration project or if they feel that I'm being used as a quick fix for their IT issues. Inefficiency is also an issue. The lack of structured process for issue reporting and resolution results in inefficiency, as there is no clear way to prioritize, track, or manage IT problems systemically. Um, there's also the missed opportunities for process development. Without a well defined process, there's no feedback loop for improvement, which means that the company misses out opportunities to streamline its IT support and problem solving procedures.
Hello, this is Ujjwal Thapamagar. I would like to thank my teammates, Ms. Shikha, to identifying the current problems and their negative effects regarding the topic IT guy. So here I'm going to talk about different actions regarding those issues. So I have collected like four actions to discuss today. So I directly want to go to the point. So action one is valuing individuals and face-to-face interactions. So here what we can do is we can develop a user-friendly IT support portal or system accessible to all staff. Create clear communication channels where employees can report their issues directly. And another action two is producing working results quickly. So here we can develop a self-help knowledge base with common IT issue resolutions and implementing a first help yourself policy, encouraging employees to consult the knowledge base or a perform based troubleshooting before seeking assistance. So action 3 is collaborating early and often with customers. So here we can schedule weekly IT support office hours, fostering direct interactions with colleagues to address specific issues, and encouraging users to provide feedback on the knowledge base and the overall IT support process. So lastly, last action is action fast evaluation of success and responding quickly to change. So here we can implement regular surveys to assess the effectiveness of the new IT support process and establishing a cross-functional IT support team, including tech-savvy employees who can act as internal champions. So here I have discussed about different actions regarding the problem. So I also want to discuss about the adoption solutions to agile principles. So we are adapting this solution to agile principle by promoting face-to-face interaction through office hours, encouraging employees to take ownership of their issues, and actively collaborating with users to iterate on the process quickly. Thanks. So this is my part. I would like to pass to my teammates Sandesh. Thank you.
Thank you, my colleague Ujjwal. I'll be talking about the risks associated and measures to get the success. So over here we can find two risks associated. So one is the resistance to change by employee and incomplete or outdated self-service resources. So talking about resistance to change, in order to cope up with this risks, what we can do is like we can engage employees in the decision making process by seeking their input on the changes and involving them in pilot programs or trials. And another one is communicating the benefits of the changes clearly and highlighting how they will make employees' life easier and efficient, and offering training and support to help employees adapt to the new processes. Along with that, providing regular update on the progress and success to the new IT support processes to demonstrate its value. And another to mitigate another problem, which is incomplete or outdated self-service resources. For that, we need to assign a dedicated content owner or team responsible for maintaining and updating the self-service product, and another implementing a regular review and scheduling to ensure content accuracy and relevance, and encouraging employees to report issues with the self-service resources so they can be addressed promptly. So how can we get the success? So in order to get the success, there must be less interruptions. So for that, what we can do is like we can reduce in IT support request by addressing all the employees that there will be significant drop in service from IT department and increasing in portal users. So portal uses of all the employees should be monitored so they can be accessed whenever they need. And another one is feedback and satisfaction survey. So we will be conducting different surveys from employees in order to get their direct feedback or in order to increase or decrease our expectation. And another one is employee skill development. So we'll be accessing the IT literacy of all the employee and provide training according to that, and cost saving, and we'll be calculating the savings which we have done from reducing the allocated hours to the IT help. So by tracking all these key performance indicators and by implementing all these measures, we can get the success and reduce the risks. That's all. Thank you.